Hello everyone, welcome to Zaraf Game Dev. In this part, we are supposed to be creating a project, but we already finished the project and the examples, which was related to the interaction between the pickups and how the interaction for the environment. So for pickup, we had multiple types of pickups. And in the example, it was only including the code. Now, for the project, what we are testing is how the interaction works. So, first, we have our player main class, which has the player movement, and the player inventory, which takes uh, record of how many coins the player has. Similarly, we have the player health and the player interactor, which interacts with all the different systems, the door and the lever. And then we had the coin pickup and the health pickup. So both of them have their own methods how they interact with the player. And we created as an abstract type in the pickup. So how each pickup is going to behave they are going to directly collide with the player, and the player is going to update the respective status. So we have the coin and the health. The coin increases the coin amount, and the health increases the health amount. That's it for the project. Nothing complicated here, as it was going to be completely similar to the example, which is a flexible pickup system. And that should be it for the project.